Hello people, welcome to my screen. Right in front of me I have the EURUSD. Now let's proceed. Let's analyze EURUSD again for the new coming market week. Now before I proceed with the chart analysis on EURUSD, if you haven't subscribed to this page, to this channel, please smash that subscribe button right there. You have 5 seconds to do that. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's proceed with the chart analysis on EURUSD. In my previous videos on EURUSD, I called EURUSD to break below this major level right here, provided that this level is taken out, and also we have a rising wedge on and we have a rising wedge, and also why the rising wedge form, we also have a trend reversal, a trend reversal head and shoulder. This is the left shoulder right here, this is the head, and we have the right shoulder form right here also, and this major level serve as the neckline of the chart pattern. So we expect the chart pattern neckline to be taken out to drop EURUSD price down to this previous level of support. But now, and ever since then, price has been reacting slowly on that level. It has been reacting slowly. Whenever it's tried to bring that level, it push back down. And on the daily time frame, the last day candle before the market day, the last day candle, the last day candle close with a doji. This is telling us that what they see, there is an indecision right here between the buyers and the sellers. Both the buyers and the sellers have not come to a conclusion yet. Now we don't know if the buyers, this indecision candle tell us that what we don't know who is in control. Is it the buyers that is about to take control of the market, or the sellers are in control? Or the sellers will take control of the market to pull the price down. Provided that this support level is cleared, we should see EURUSD dropping right here. So let's move to the weekly time frame to see how the weekly candle close. Now right here on the weekly time frame on the weekly time frame, like I've been saying that on EURUSD, and for the past 2 years, EURUSD has been moving in a nasty range right here, starting from this level right here, and it took 2 years for EURUSD to move in a sideways range. Now and eventually early this year, EURUSD was able to break and close below this level right here. Now it took out, price was able to break and close below this level right here, previous level of support, turn resistance, and we expect EURUSD to continue pushing back down. But EURUSD did this thing, market did this thing, and form a trend reversal right here and push the price down. Now we thought that EURUSD level should, we thought that price on EURUSD should sustain below this level, right, below this resistance level. Because if you look at the left hand side, we can see that in the past this level was rejected. In the past it was also rejected. So I was expecting EURUSD to sustain below this, to sustain inside this level right here, and probably drop down, and EURUSD just break and close above this level right here. Previous level of resistance has now turned support. Now on the weekly time frame, it took 3 weeks candle. It took 3 weeks for this pullback to happen after EURUSD price break out of this previous level of resistance. Now what is likely to happen is that, with what I'm saying right here, we might see a push up right here, because if I look at the left hand side, we can see a minor level of intermediate level of resistance. This level of resistance held here, and when the price gets here, this price pull back. These three weeks candle pullbacks because of this minor level of resistance right here, and price push back down to test the neckline, to test this to test this what am I saying? To test, it pull back for a retest after breaking above this level. It pull back for a retest. So after a retest, we should expect price to continue pushing right here. Now, two things are about to happen right now. Yes, two things are about to happen on the weekly time frame. With what I'm seeing on the weekly time frame, we might see a push right here. We might see price pushing right here, coming to attempt this green bar. If this green bar is if price gets here for the second attempt and is unable to break above it, then we should see a double top on this level right here, and this will serve as a neckline and price will push down. But if price was able to break here and continue and was able to break and close below this place, we should see price coming right here. And also, when price get to this green bar, if price attempt this level right here, this green bar for the second time, because with what I'm seeing right here, we should see one leg push again to attempt this green bar again. If this green bar is taken out, EURUSD will elevate to this resistance level right here. But if price should get here after this retest has happened and price gets here because now this is a breakout and a retest has happened, we should see price might come to attempt this green bar again for the second attempt. If the second attempt should hold, I repeat, if the second attempt should hold on EURUSD will drop down. But if this second attempt if price gets here and was able to break and close below this level, well, EURUSD will elevate to this resistance level right here. Now we have seen what we need to see right here. So now the weekly time frame is telling us that I might still come to attempt this green bar again for the second attempt. If at all, EURUSD will push back down, just like it happens here. When this breakout happen, we all expect EURUSD to continue pushing to this level right here, and EURUSD form a trend reversal right here. It form a trend reversal right here and elevate to the upside. So what happens here might still happen here too. What happens here might repeat itself too. We might have a double bottom. Price might have a double bottom right. Yeah, a double top. Price might have a double top right here. If it's unable to break above this level, if it should hold, then this resistance level will serve as a neckline and EURUSD will drop. So now let's go back to the daily time frame. Now right here on the daily time frame, I say that we have a rising wedge right here on the daily time frame, and also we have a chart pattern, double left shoulder, head, and the right shoulder right here, and this is serving as a neckline. In as much that this neckline has not been broken, price can still push back up again. Just like, okay, let me take out this one. Now, in as much that this neckline has not been broken, has not been taken out, price can still come right here again. So now I can see a buy a buy opportunity right here that price can break out from to attempt this green bar again. If price should come right here to attempt this green bar, if this green bar should hold, if it should stay, EURUSD will sell down. But if this green bar should not hold and price is able to break above it, EURUSD will come right here. So now on the day now and price, and if price should just continue going lower like that, it will drop. But with what I'm seeing right now, we might have price break and close outside of this trend line to attempt this green bar again, just like what the weekly time frame is telling us. The weekly time frame has break and close above a resistance level. It took 3 weeks of trading to pull back. Now it has retested it. Previous level of resistance has turned support, and it is pointing to the upside to attempt the previous high. If that previous high is taken out, EURUSD will elevate to the next future resistance. But if price should get there for the second attempt, if it should hold, then EURUSD will push back down. Now that tells us that what we should have a trend reversal. But now EURUSD is conflicting. It does not know if it should come down or it should go up. But with what I'm seeing from the higher time frame direction side, I think EURUSD might attempt this green bar again before pushing down or to the upside. So now let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Now right here on the 4-hour time frame. Now right here, 4-hour time frame. Now right here on the 4-hour time frame, this is the left shoulder, head, right shoulder right here. So now, like I said earlier, provided that this level is still on, if this level is still holding, EURUSD will push back right here. If this level should be taken out, EURUSD will drop. So now we have a trend reversal. Now it's looking like, look at it, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. In as much that the neckline has not been broken, it has not been fulfilled yet. We need to ensure that the neckline has been cleared before price should continue pushing lower. Provided that price still stay above this level, yeah, price can still push back up again. So right here now, with what I'm seeing right now, we might have price coming to attempt this trend line again. If this trend line should be cleared, EURUSD will come to attempt this green bar. And if this green bar is taken out, EURUSD will elevate right here. But if whatever we want to do, whatever we are expecting is to see price break below this place. If price should break below this place, EURUSD will sell down. So now on EURUSD, break here, we are coming here. Break below this place, we are coming here. Like I repeat, break out of this trend line, EURUSD is coming to attempt this green bar. Break below this level, EURUSD will sell down right here. So now whichever way on EURUSD, so let's see what EURUSD is going to do for the coming market week. So let's see what EURUSD is about to do. So now let's see what EURUSD is about to do. So it's either, like I said, it's either price attempt this level. We have the first touch, we have the second touch, and the third touch of the trend line always does the tweak. It can do the tweak to the upside right here, and it can also match the tweak down. So whatever EURUSD wants to do, we shall see. So now with what I'm seeing right now, EURUSD might likely come to attempt this trend line for the third attempt. If this third attempt is cleared, EURUSD is coming here. But if this green bar is breached, if this major level is breached, EURUSD will sell down right here. So that is that on EURUSD. Thank you for staying in tune. If you enjoyed this video, smash that subscribe button right there. Thank you for staying in tune. Bye for now.